Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to modify a quiz with differentiated release conditions in D2L Brightspace. So the first step is I'm going to click this Assessment tab and go to Quizzes and Exams. Now, once I'm in here, I want to modify the week number 1 quiz, so I'll click it. And similar to the Dropbox assignment, I want to go over here to the top right to Availability, Dates, and Conditions and click that little arrow. That will give me a couple different options. I can manage special access and give people a longer time on the quiz and whatnot, but I'm more concerned with the release condition right now. So I'm going to click Add Release Condition, Create New, and I need to select my condition type. So I want students to view something before taking the quiz. So I'll click this and I will scroll down to Visited Content Topic. Now, the topic I specifically want them to look at before taking the quiz is this science image that I've got here in week 2. Now, I know it's the week 1 quiz, but say, for example, I wanted them to look at this specific image. So I'll click that, click Create. So now it shows that students, to view this item, they must visit the content topic science image. I'll make sure this is visible down here for students, and I will click Save and Close. Now, I'll show you what it looks like from a student's perspective as well. So now I know I need to view that science image, so I will go to Content, and it was in week 2, so I'll select week 2, science image. Now that I've clicked on this, I will be able to go to Assessment, Quizzes and Exams, and I will be able to click that week 1 quiz